waste my fucking time, bitch, I don't.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Chantal, and today I'm just getting ready for work, and I figured I would film because I realized I wasn't gonna film, and then I realized I kind of have to because I'm working a lot this week. I'm working like a 65, 70 hour week. Yeah, I work a lot. I'm a restaurant manager, so I work a lot, okay? And I fit in filming whenever I have free time and edit and all that good stuff. So your girl's busy, okay? But today I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go right in. I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Foundation Primer today. Now I am like super out of foundation right now, so I'm gonna be mixing a couple different foundations. I'm gonna be using the Cover FX Power Play Foundation and like every single last drop out of my foundation. I'm trying to save money before I go on a trip, and basically like forcing myself to like go through all of my products before I go buy a new one. It's real rough, you guys. Yeah, I think I'm out completely. And this Cover FX foundation is just like way too light for me, and I'm like, fuck. We are just going to go in with this all by itself because I have no other foundation, and I'm just gonna have to use a darker powdered foundation to set it. Oh my god. Alright, now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the NYX eyebrow powder in the shade Brunette. Alrighty, and then I like to outline my brows using the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Fair and a nice angled eyebrow brush. Sorry, I like never talk when I'm doing my eyebrows. I have to like really focus when I'm doing this. I cannot multitask when it comes to makeup. Anything else in life, I can multitask at, but talking and doing my makeup is not one of them. And then now that that is all done, we are going to blend this in with a flat top concealer brush. For my concealer today, I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics concealer. This is in the shade Shell. And then if I'm in a hurry, I like to do my face first, and then if I have time, go back in and do eyeshadow. But like, I can take or leave the eyeshadow. It's not a big deal for me. All in with our damp beauty blender. Forgot to do some contour lines on my nose. Mucho, mucho importante. And then blend this in with the side of the sponge that doesn't have any concealer on it. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the side that has concealer on it and keep blending this in. I wanna snatch the nose here, which is what I was going for. And I realized I forgot to put dark contour on my nose. For my setting powder, I'm gonna be using the Sephora Translucent Setting Powder, and there's like concealer all over this because my hands. I also want to go in and just dab in the concealer on top of my nose and then set that as well. And same with on my forehead. And then to make the rest of my face match my body, I have to use a darker powdered foundation to set my foundation. For my powdered foundation, I'm going to be using the BareMinerals Summer Bisque. And for brightening and contouring, I'm going to use my Bella Pure Cosmetics contouring kit. And I'm going to use this medium tone, kind of taupey tone for my contour. I'm going to use that excess powder on the brush just to go down the bridge of the nose. I'm going to mix these two warm toned colors, and I'm going to use that for my bronzer. Right, and then for my blush, I'm feeling really bright and pink and girly today, so I'm going to use my Hollywood Boulevard blush, and this is in the Cocoa Face collection. And then for highlight, I'm also going to go into the Cocoa Face collection, and I'm going to use this lighter highlight right here. This is kind of champagne-y color. And then I'm just gonna set my face really quick so it doesn't go anywhere. It looks like this foundation's kind of moving just a little bit, so just because it's super hot in here and I'm literally sweating, my hands are like soaking wet. It's disgusting. So I'm gonna create a really quick eyeshadow look. I don't even know if I have time. I don't know what time it is, but we're just gonna create a really quick eyeshadow look. I'm gonna go in with this color here called Naked. Then I'm just going to go on with a really pretty pink color called Sin out of my Naked palette. I'm just going to put that on my lid. Then I'm just going to smoke this out on the edge here. I'm going to use this color here called Buck. I'm just going to highlight my eyebrow bone really quick and my inner eye. We're gonna do some mascara and lashes, and we are good to go. And then to finish this look off, I'm gonna use the Super Glitter Gloss from Kylie Cosmetics. All right, you guys, well, here is the finished look. I'm calling this my everyday get ready with me glow getter look. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video today, getting ready with me. This is kind of like my everyday glow routine, my glow getter routine, I'd like to say. But yeah, so I am off to work. I gotta run out the door. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, go ahead and push like and hit subscribe. And all the products that I used in this video will be linked down below. So if you're interested in any of those, go check that out down below. And as always, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week, and I will see you guys in my next video.